myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Play Smart, Play Epic. Asansol contact number is 8695607709. Another number is 18001233 The last rites of Bipin Rawat and Madhulika Rawat will be performed on Friday in Delhi cantonment. The bodies would be kept in their houses from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. For people to pay their last respect, the funeral process will start from Kamraj Marg to Barar Square crematorium. The Uttarakhand government has declared a 3-day state mourning from December 9. However, the sudden demise of Bipin Rawat, Congress President Sonia Gandhi has appealed to party workers not to celebrate her birthday on Thursday. The United States, Russia, China, Pakistan have expressed their condolence over the demise of General Rawat. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh told Parliament that a tried service inquiry has been set up. Minister Rajnath Singh told Parliament that a tri-service inquiry has been set up to investigate the crash. General Rawat, his wife Madhulika Rawat, and 11 others were killed when the chopper crashed on its way to Wellington from the Sulur Air Force Base in Coimbatore. The only survivor is Group Captain Varun Singh, who is being treated for severe burns at a military hospital in Wellington. According to the Rajnath Singh, he is on life support. The Mi-17V5 helicopter took off from Sulur Air Base at 11:48 a.m. on Wednesday and was expected to land at Wellington by 12:15 p.m. But the chopper went off the radar around 12:08 p.m. The black box has been recovered and could help investigator understand why the helicopter crashed. The other hand, a witness at the site of crash in Tamil Nadu that killed General Bipin Rawat and 12 other on Wednesday claims he saw the general alive moment after the wreckage was found in the hills. Group Captain Varun Singh, the lone crash survivor who is on life support, is being shifted to a Bengaluru hospital, said defense authorities in Nilgiri. Earlier, he was being treated at a military hospital in Wellington. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh told the parliament earlier in the day that he is on life support and all efforts are being made to save him. Latest report have confirmed that out of the total 14 persons on board the ill-fated helicopter, 13 have succumbed to their injuries. Defense Minister in Lok Sabha. Of called Dal Ali in admission in college is pouring in from several quarters in Asansol. Some steps have been taken but without result already. That person is absconding till now. Students are not knocking several doors for getting justice and to get themselves admitted in their respective classes. Particularly in BB College, such a racket might be activated in other college which is not known till now. A student who come to submit memorandum to district magistrate informed us that Vishal Pandey, who collected lakhs of rupees from more than 60 students, could not be traced till now, although it has been reported to police.
हम लोग सोचे थे वो करवा देगा, हर साल वो करवाता और ये साल ऐसा हो जाएगा हम लोग को पता ही नहीं था। हम लोग सभी दिए थे, उस दिन भी हम लोग किए। बस हम लोग यही रिक्वेस्ट लास्ट कर रहे कि हम लोग सभी को एडमिशन मिल जाए।
कैश लिया था?
हाँ, वो कैश लिया था।
कितना लिया था?
7,850
एक आदमी का।
बाकी सबसे जैसे जैसे जो ऑनर्स लिया उसी हिसाब से सबसे पैसा
आप किस चीज में ऑनर्स लिए थे?
हम उर्दू ऑनर्स लिए थे।
उर्दू के लिए 7,850। वो कौन से पार्टी से बिलोंग करता है या कौन सा पार्टी?
कॉलेज ही में आया था हम लोग से पैसा लेने के लिए और बोलता है कि हम यूनियन के आदमी, हर साल हम एडमिशन
तो बिना
लेते हैं।
जान पहचान का आप लोग कैसे उसको पैसा देते?
हम लोग पूछे थे वहाँ के जितना 5-6 लोग थे वहाँ पे, हम लोग बोले विशाल पांडे कैसे एडमिशन के लिए? वो बोले हाँ ठीक है, हर साल कराते हैं, आप लोग बेफिक्र होकर पैसा दे दीजिए, हो जाएगा एडमिशन। तभी हम लोग उसके ऊपर बिलीव किए।
तो टोटल अभी कोई पार्टी से बिलोंग नहीं करता था?
नहीं।
अभी तक कितने लोगों का एडमिशन हुआ इस टाइप से फ्रॉड कर?
61
लोग का करा चुका है।
कराया नहीं है,
मीन्स फ्रॉड पैसा।
61
लोगों का पैसा दे चुका है
तो
वो।
बाकी लोग किधर?
बाकी लोग का पता नहीं, हम लोग से जितना कांटेक्ट।
तुम्हारा नाम क्या बेटा?
मेरा नाम कश्यप परवीन।
In front of DM office today demanding sub-division status to Raniganj. It was led by Professor Dr. Dulal Bose, president of the firm, Sandeep Bhaltoria, Arun Bhatia, RP Khaitan, RN Singh, Hers Bajoria, young entrepreneur in interior designing, and several other.
हम लोगों ने जनवरी महीने 28 जनवरी को रानीगंज बोरो ऑफिस के सामने भी एक धरना किया था और अपनी जो मांगे हैं वो हमारी माननीय मुख्यमंत्री सुश्री ममता बनर्जी जी के पास भी हमारा ये जो मांग है वो भेजा गया था। लेकिन अभी तक इस दिशा में कोई जो एक उन्नति है वो किसी बात में हमें नज़र नहीं आ रही। इस वजह से आज हमें दोबारा अपनी इन समस्याओं को लेकर और अपनी एक मांगों को लेकर के आज रानीगंज के तमाम जो NGOs हैं, संस्थाएं हैं, सभी के जो प्रतिनिधि हैं वो आज यहाँ पर पहुँचे हैं और DM साहब के सामने हमारे जो प्रेसिडेंट हैं प्रोफेसर रामदुलाल बोस, वो अभी वहाँ उनके पास एक ज्ञापन सौंपेंगे और अपनी मांगों को रखेंगे। आशा करते हैं कि प्रशासन हमारी जो आवाज़ है उसको ज़रूर सुनेगा और हमारी जो जायज़ मांगे हैं उस पर विचार करते हुए हमारे रानीगंज को सब डिवीज़न का दर्जा जो है वो अति शीघ्र ही देने की कृपा करेगा। हमें अपने राज्य सरकार के ऊपर भी भरोसा है, हमें अपनी मुख्यमंत्री के ऊपर भी भरोसा है। आशा करता हूँ कि हमारा ये ये आंदोलन है, ये जो धरना है, ये सरकार की तरफ से सकारात्मक रूप में हमारे रानीगंज के लोगों के समक्ष वापस आएगा। हम इस बात की पूरी उम्मीद करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
आपका नाम?
रविंदर सिंह, मैं रानीगंज सिटीजन फोरम का सेक्रेटरी हूँ रानीगंज से।
हम यहाँ पे सभी मिलकर जमा हुए हैं आसनसोल में रानीगंज को सब डिवीज़न की मांग करने के लिए। हम यहाँ चेंबर की तरफ से रिप्रेजेंट करने आए हैं सब डिवीज़न की मांग करने के लिए। सब डिवीज़न रानीगंज को हम इसीलिए बनाना चाहते हैं ताकि ना कि अच्छे हॉस्पिटल, अच्छा ट्रेड बन सके रानीगंज में। रानीगंज एक डेवलपिंग कोल टाउन है, कोल प्रेसिडेंसी है। आफ्टर बीइंग अ सब डिवीज़न वहाँ पे ट्रेड, अच्छे हॉस्पिटल, अच्छे स्कूल ही नहीं बल्कि हमारे जैसे वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर या फिर छोटे मोटे स्मॉल फर्म्स या फिर छोटे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के लिए भी बहुत बढ़ावा होगा, ट्रेड का बढ़ावा होगा। इसीलिए हम चाहते हैं कि हमारी रानीगंज को सब डिवीज़न बनाने की मांग पूरी हो और इसी के लिए हम यहाँ धरना पर बैठे हैं।
आपका नाम?
हर्षा बजोरिया, रानीगंज से।
दुर्गापुर, रोहित मोहंकार, स्टेट तृणमूल सेक्रेटरी कम एक्ट्रेस Santika Bandhopadhyay conveyed fell victim to the road accident. The accident happened on the flyover of National Highway number 19 at Rajband in Kanaska. A truck with 12 wheels lost control and collided with Santika Banerjee car. The Trinamool leader's hand is reportedly slightly injured. Physiotherapy clinic, male and female. For contact 70474568855. Call on this number. Mahua. Young man from Jharkhand shot dead in Asansol, accused arrested by police. The accident of firing took place in the alleged coaching center under Asansol South Police Station. Who has been shot? That young man is Sonu Singh. He is a resident of Devghar, Jharkhand. He was accompanied by 3 other young men and young women, of which Sanskar Kumar belonged to Asansol while 3 others belonged to Devghar. At present, Sonu is undergoing treatment at a private hospital in Durgapur. They did a thorough investigation while the police took quick action and took the accused Jeetu into the custody. The DCP said that the police is investigating the matter. A young man has been shot on, accused has been taken into the custody. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir. Rohit Mankar, a young man, was caught red-handed on Wednesday while trying to seduce two minors to engage in sex work in Kapoda sex village of Durgapur. The worker of Durgapur Darbar Samiti rescued the two minors. The traffickers was detained at the Darbar Samiti office and informed by the police. Police from Varia outpost came to the spot, rescued the minor and arrested the accused trafficker Monirul Mandal. According to the Darbar Samiti, the young man brought the two minors from Binaras. The young is said to have house in Jaipur, Rajasthan, Guwahati in West Bengal. Police have launched an investigation into the incident. Coaching for medical NEET AIIMS. Contact number is 98328249975. Address is Rishi Arvind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. Asansol Wasim Khan According, located in Asansol, an awareness campaign was carried out by the South Traffic Guard of Police Commissariat near Kataghar in Kalipahadi. ACP Traffic Pradeep Mandal, the traffic sound in charge Tapas Dubey, South Police Station, Second Officer Buddha Dev, etc. were present on the occasion. The ACP board said that the police has, as well as the people, have to be helpful in preventing the accident. Only then will the road accident to be able to carry. A competition was also held among them to make the same people aware, in which he was rewarded the organization, the recognition, the traffic signal and giving correct answer. About 10 people were rewarded for giving correct answer. Vinav Guinea House at KN Mukherjee Lane, Asansol 1. Telephone number 0341 2311920. Mobile number 9933990442. In details in diamond, gems and stones, gold and hallmarked jewelry, silver item and utensils, Jordic power items. Husband-wife caught with girlfriend while celebrating Rangrelia in Asansol Hotel. In a hotel located at Baranpur Road, the wife grabbed her husband's hands while he was having fun with his girlfriend. After this, the wife of the husband girlfriend was openly beaten by his wife. The husband was having fun with another woman in private hotel located. After this, the wife publicly beat and kicked the woman with her helmet, and later the husband and wife were taken to Asansol South Police Station. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Healthy water for a healthy family. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800258760. A meeting was held at the Domhani Kelazora High School. A meeting was held today with various teachers from different upper primary and high school of Barabani block to discuss how to pass this exam in 2022. Almost the school participated and was present in various aspects of discussion in West Bardhaman. WBTSTA President Sri Rajiv Mukherjee, Headmaster of Sri Minal Jyoti Ganguly, Domhani Kelazora High School, Sri Joydev Viswas, Teacher Sri Atanu Datta, Executive Member Sri Jayant Mandal, Secretary West Bardhaman. Manoj Sharma report.
তো আমার যা পূর্ববর্তী বক্তা বিশেষ করে আমাদের যে জয়েন্ট কনভেনার রাজীব দা উনি আপনাদের সবটাই প্রায় বলে দিয়েছেন, কিন্তু যেহেতু আমরা আজকে বারাবণী ব্লকের মিটিং করতে এসেছি, তো এই ব্লকের আমরা জানি যে ব্লকে আমাদের 7টা উচ্চ মাধ্যমিক স্কুল রয়েছে। এই 7টা উচ্চ মাধ্যমিক
এবার রাজীবদা বলে দিয়েছে একটা ফেসবুক হবে আমরা
সাংগঠনিক একবার হয়েছিল, অনেকে হয়তো গিয়েছিলেন অনেকে
এবার মানে যে যাবে ওটা যেমন একটা মিটিং রুম হয়ে যাবে আমাদের ডিস্ট্রিক্ট
আলোচনা করবো
আমাদের বারাবণী ব্লক থেকে না, ওটা পুরো ডিস্ট্রিক্ট থেকে যাবে। 2-4 জন সব থেকে সব স্কুল থেকে 1-2 জন গেলে ভালো হবে। ঠিক আছে, থ্যাংক ইউ।
News daily at 9 p.m. with special features on Friday. News Movement Bangla, News Movement English, News Movement Urdu, News Movement Hindi. For more details and advertisement, contact 9563830285/700196727 8617659448 9064082784 9641070758. Jekanagar ECL in Jekanagar Colliery under 7 gram area in the name of the deceased Lalan Rai Omar, 52 years old, in fact had his work done at 8 a.m. yesterday. At about 3:30 a.m. his health suddenly deteriorated and he was admitted to Kalla Hospital. At the place where the doctor died during the treatment, the doctor says that he died of a brain stroke, he said while on duty. Meanwhile, talks have started with the trade union leader and ECL officials. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Workshop on prevention of sexual harassment of women in the work area was organized by ECL on Thursday. The webinar was organized by the Internal Grievance Committee, in which department head officers and employees of ECL headquarters also participated. As per the information, ECL organized a workshop webinar on prevention of sexual harassment of women in the workplace on Thursday. As per the instruction of the Ministry of Coal, the Nectar Festival of Independence, in which more than 1,000 people in different areas of ECL took part. Teacher, writer and law instructor Sangeeta Rai Mitra will be keynote speaker at webinar. Address the women present at the same time. Sangeeta Jha, trainer, also shared information related to the prevention of sexual harassment in the work area of staff present. Now I am presenting SMS of News Movement. Work hard, safety, discipline and be patient. Your time will come. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.